YouTube doesn't care how good your video is. If your thumbnail doesn't grab clicks, nobody's watching.
If they don't click, they don't watch.
No one's gonna click on that video.
People that don't click, they don't watch. Some thumbnail matters more than you think.
Thumbnails are so important.
And if no one clicks on the video, they...
At the end of the day, if they don't click, they don't watch.
Literally every creator knows your video lives or dies by the first impression. There's a reason why creators like Mr. Beast spend thousands of dollars on thumbnails.
It's been around $5,000 to $10,000 a thumbnail.
Because they know it's the difference between millions of views and going unnoticed. But here's the crazy part. You can now do it for as low as 25 cents. Just look at these thumbnails I made with this AI tool. They didn't just get clicks by accident. They were designed to stop the scroll. Stay with me, because in the next few minutes, I'll show you how to use this same AI tool to create thumbnails like this in under 60 seconds. Here's what most creators miss. People don't click because of your video title alone. They click because the thumbnail triggers emotion. Curiosity, surprise, shock, excitement. That's what makes a human tap. Think about it. Mr. Beast's survival thumbnails, one look and you feel the danger. Airac's challenge thumbnails, instant curiosity. Even you can make such thumbnails with this new AI tool. Every famous creator has one thing in common. A thumbnail that makes you stop and say, wait, what's going on here? With this AI tool, I'll show you how to make thumbnails like Mr. Beast, Isaac, Iman Gaji, and many more.
Let's get started with the tutorial. The tool we'll be using is called Supabix. The link is in the comments. There are 4 main features: Recreate, Face Swap, Edits, and Text to Thumbnail. Let's begin with Recreate. You have 2 options here. Either upload an image directly from your computer or take a YouTube thumbnail by copying its link. We'll pick one from YouTube for this example. Simply copy the link, come to the tool, paste it in, then click Use this image. From here, you can set the creativity level to either high or low, depending on how much variation you want. You can also pick a style. For this example, we'll go with high creativity and the default style. Finally, click Generate Thumbnail. And just like that, your recreated thumbnail is ready. But what if I want to change the face? That's where the face swap feature comes in. Start by uploading the image where you want the face replaced, then outline the face area. After that, upload the face you want to swap in, for example, Elon Musk's, and the tool will generate the new image. Now, suppose you want to make some further adjustments. That's where the Edits feature comes in. Upload the image, describe the changes you'd like, and the edits will be applied automatically. Finally, if you'd like to create a brand new image from scratch, use Text to Thumbnail. Since this is for YouTube, the aspect ratio should be set to 16:9. To keep it professional, we'll stick with a realistic style. Here's the prompt for the image I want to create, but you can also generate your own prompts using tools like ChatGPT. Paste the prompt, generate, and the thumbnail will be created.
Think of it this way. Your video is a book, and the thumbnail is the cover. People don't pick up a book because they know the story is good. They pick it up because the cover grabs them. That's exactly how YouTube works. If you start treating your thumbnail as the cover of your story, you'll notice YouTube treating your content very differently. Because no matter how good your video is, it all starts with that one click. And if this helped, don't forget to subscribe. And visit supabix.com for more tools and tips to master your thumbnails. After all, great stories deserve great covers.